Hey guys, odd video today on these Auto-intelliKey key fobs. A while back, I kept getting these in the mail. They were attached to an ad from a car dealership. I guess you were supposed to walk around the dealership clicking this, and if it started a car, you would win that car. I saved these thinking, well, there's got to be batteries in there, so free watch batteries, and maybe I could salvage the switches out of it for another project. There's even a little pull tab on the side, and when you pull it, it says Auto-intelliKey now activated. So you'd think it would be activating the batteries in there, right? Well, not so much. I got around to busting these open the other day, and as you'll see here, there's nothing inside. No battery, no switches, no circuit board. That pull tab doesn't do anything. There's just a piece of tape with 4 metal discs on it. These discs are what makes the clicky sound for the switches. The rubber buttons look like they might have come from a real key fob, but the rest of this is fake. What a waste of resources. I tried to do some digging on Auto-intelliKey. I found the trademark was registered in 2010 to a United Wholesale Company in Illinois. I couldn't find any info on them. The web address on the back of the key is no longer active, but I think these came from this CPM direct mail company. There they are in the picture, and that's the same type of mailer I got in the mail. I don't think I can legally call this a scam. I'm sure when you went to the car dealership, after you spent 20 minutes walking around clicking this stupid thing, someone would come out and have you fill out a form or something to actually get entered into the contest. I'm sure 99% of these just got thrown out with the junk mail. I feel sorry for anyone who actually walked into a dealership and started clicking this. It just seems like a blatant waste of resources just to mislead people for advertising purposes. I mean, it would have been a bigger waste if they were mailing out actual key fobs with batteries in them, but still, why make something that serves no actual functional purpose and is just going to end up getting thrown away? What's even more insane is the number of these that are for sale on eBay. These people think that they're real key fobs. They have no idea that they're selling fake ones. I did also look at the sold listings. Thankfully, no one's actually bought any of them. But it's still kind of nuts how many of these are just floating around out there. Alright, that's it for this video. As for these, they're going in the trash. There's no salvageable parts in them. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.